Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you know me, you know that I absolutely love playing games, PC or console, and this week I started playing a new game called Grounded. It's a survival game and the concept is so fun and reminds me of the movie Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, because you are literally the size of an ant, if not smaller, running through this gorgeous garden.
Professor Wayne Zielinski was hard at work on his new invention.
This thing works, it'll put us right up there with the invention of electricity.
That didn't quite work.
Did you get the machine to work?
A few more bugs to get out.
Then something quite unexpected
Where are
happened.
the kids?
I haven't seen him since I left this morning.
It shrunk the kids.
Nick, what happened?
It works. Diane, I got something real important to tell you.
Are you trying to tell me?
The machine works? Do the kids know?
Well, yeah, the kids know.
That's great!
It's not that great.
Why?
I shrunk the kids, and the Thompson kids too. They're about this big. Threw them out with the trash.
What?
Watching this makes me so nostalgic. I absolutely loved this movie growing up. I get so hungry whilst gaming and I want quick and easy vegan snacks so I can get back to the game as quickly as possible. So stick around for this awesome recipe, but for now here's more of the game. You can choose one of 4 characters to play, and you can play multiplayer or single player, and the graphics are absolutely stunning. The game really encourages you to explore, harvest and craft unique gear, and I love that you need to build a base to protect yourself from the enemies, like this one right here. He's not the worst of the spiders, wait until you see the wolf spider. So here you can see that I'm building my gorgeous ocean villa. I love that you need to run around and cut up trees and flowers to build your little base. Get assigned quests in the game by this little dude Burgle, which makes it so much more interesting because you need to run around and, for example, maybe kill a wolf spider, which is fun and terrifying, especially when bumping into wolf spider for the first time or the 100th time. So here's my tofu press. I just used things that I had around the house and it worked like a charm. So whilst I wait for the tofu, I'm just making some crumbed mushrooms with panko crumbs, cumin powder, coriander powder and masala and salt. drizzled lemon juice over the tofu and it tasted exactly like halloumi. So delicious. So now you can see why I love these snacks when I'm gaming, because I can eat them with chopsticks and don't have to worry about my fingers being messed. You can see the wolf spiders are super terrifying, but it makes the game that much more interesting, and you get to come home to your base and eat your mushrooms or just roast something on the spit. I absolutely love this game and I've put in so many hours and I'm still not yet bored. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know if you would like to see more of this. Keep smiling!